Hi guys, welcome to my channel, My Simple Remedies. As we age, maintaining youthful, healthy skin becomes challenging. Today's home remedy is simple yet most effective to attain young and youthful and younger looking skin. It will make your skin fresh, glowing, radiant, and youthful in just one use. So without wasting time, let's start making the skin mask. But before that, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more amazing videos. Take 1 tablespoon of rice powder, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of shea butter, and half a tablespoon of Fuller's Earth. Mix it well to form a paste. Now I will tell you the method of application and how long you have to put it on. Take a brush and apply the mixture evenly on your face. You can also apply it on your arms, legs, or any part of your body. Rice powder has amazing absorbing properties. It helps to soak up excess oil from the skin, thus reducing chances of blocked pores and pimples. Excess oil buildup on the skin makes the face look dark. Rice flour absorbs the extra oil and freshens up the skin. You can also use pure aloe vera gel directly on your face. Applied properly, the gel helps moisturize your skin to smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Using shea butter on your body, especially your face, can condition, tone, and soothe your skin. Fuller's Earth is great for clogged pores. It improves skin tone, complexion, and the natural glow of the skin. Leave it on for 30 minutes or till it dries off, then wash your face with warm water. For best results, you can steam your face afterwards, but that's optional. This home remedy is a Power Pack face mask, which is the most effective face mask ever. It gives the best result in a single use. You can use this mask twice a week. Always make a fresh one. I hope you like my remedy. If you want any remedy, comment me, and the comment which gets the most likes, we'll make a video for that. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.